The Supreme Court heard arguments today in one of the most closely watched cases of its term, a battle between religious liberty and anti-discrimination. The case involves a Colorado baker who refused to make a wedding cake for a same-sex couple. CBS's Mola Lengi is in Washington with the story.
It's a case that pits a baker who's a devout Christian against a same-sex couple who asked him to make their wedding cake. The baker said no.
He asked us who the cake was for, and when we said it was for us, he said he would not make a cake for a same-sex wedding.
In 2012, Dave Mullins and Charlie Craig were planning a celebration after they were married in Massachusetts. Masterpiece Cake Shop refused their business. The bakery is owned by Jack Phillips.
I've tried to respectfully apologize that I couldn't create this thing. I will gladly sell you anything in my shop, but this is just an event that I can't create a cake for.
Mullins and Craig filed a discrimination complaint and won. But Phillips says he was exercising his constitutional rights to free speech and freedom of religion.
Jack Phillips loves and serves everyone, and that same religious faith that inspires him also ensures that he doesn't create cakes that express messages that violate his conscience.
Phillips lost several appeals before the Supreme Court agreed to take the case. The justices will now have to consider whether the First Amendment can outweigh the right to equal treatment. The couple's lawyer says free speech shouldn't be used to legalize discrimination.
Once you open yourself to the public and provide general across-the-board services, you can't single out people based on their identity.
The court is expected to decide on the case by late June of 2018. Mola Lengi, CBS News, Washington.
Now, this case could have a widespread impact on other creative professionals if it means they'll be forced to produce something that goes against their beliefs.